This is an IKEA TROTTEN desk. It's available very cheaply from the Swedish furniture retailer, and normally the tabletop on this model is adjusted by hand using a crank. I quickly got tired of that. I wanted to automate the adjustment of the desk. There are various DIY projects online that have equipped this table with a motor and an Arduino or an ESP32, for example. However, that was too complicated for me. But since I have Home Assistant and Zigbee 2 MQTT at home, I have worked out this simple solution here. Thanks to the aforementioned project with the Arduino, I'll put the link in the description. I've already been able to order some suitable components, the motor, which is available with a mounting bracket, and the coupling. I also bought a suitable hexagonal rod as a replacement for the crank. By the way, you can also buy this motor with a simple switch module, which allows the motor to run forwards and backwards. I ordered this too, but ended up not needing it. However, if you don't want to follow the steps below with Zigbee and Home Assistant, this would be another way to automate your table. I also ordered this 2-channel relay for the Zigbee 2 MQTT connection. Conveniently, there is already a diagram on the product page showing how to connect a 12-volt motor. For the power supply, I bought an off-the-shelf power supply that outputs 12V. All assembled, it works wonderfully. With these 2 cheap buttons, also Zigbee from AliExpress, I can raise and lower the table via a Home Assistant automation, and of course this can also be done by voice command via Google Assistant. At first, I used fixed times to move the table to my preferred heights. This proved to be too inaccurate. I therefore supplemented the setup with 2 inexpensive Zigbee window sensors, which stop the table when it is all the way up or all the way down. If you are also looking for a way to motorize your IKEA TROTTEN, I hope this video might give you some inspiration. Let me know what you think in the comments.